everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing how to make this delicious corned beef frittata. Very simple to put together, very delicious, packed with protein. And yeah, now let's head over to the ingredients. Alright guys, the ingredients we're going to be using is corned beef, which is called Simmenthal in Italian. I'm going to be using 3 eggs, that is parsley, salt, black pepper, onion, extra virgin of olive oil. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do right now is to crack the eggs into my bowl before other ingredients. Alright, I'm going to set that egg aside. Now it's time for our corned beef. So open it. If you're using a big one big one is enough. Okay, I'm using 2 little one. Alright, so I'm going to transfer the corned beef into my plate, and I'm going to use a fork to make sure that they separate from each other. Alright. Alright, after doing that, I'm going to transfer the corned beef into the eggs and mix everything together. Whisk until they are well combined, and while you are mixing them, add a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt inside, and also the parsley leaf you're using. You can use more, you can use less, or you can skip the parsley leaf. Alright, I'm done mixing that. Now I'm going to add extra virgin of olive oil into my pan over the heat. Now let the oil heat up a little bit before adding the onion, because we're going to be sauteing the onion first before adding the eggs. So I allow the onion to saute for 3 minutes before adding the egg. Guys, my camera tripped off without me knowing, so I didn't show where I was adding the egg, but just saute the onion for 3 minutes, add the eggs and put the lid on, put down the heat, okay, and allow that part of the frittata to cook for a couple of minutes over low heat. Okay, so after like 3 minutes, I took off the lid. Now, just to make sure that the eggs are cooking very well. Okay, after a couple of minutes, this is over 3 minutes, about 4-5 minutes of cooking them, I'm going to transfer them into a plate just to flip them over. You can flip them over whichever way you want, okay, but I found this method very easy for me. So all you need to do is to transfer them in a large plate and flip it over immediately. All right, you need to be fast on this. So as you can see, the that part is well cooked. Look at how crispy it is. So I'm going to allow the other part to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes again, and our frittata is done. Okay guys, after a few minutes our frittata is ready. Okay, so I'm transferring them into my plate. Look at how much, look at that, look at the color guys, and the aroma coming out of this is wonderful. All right, now I'm going to cut them open and show you the both sides. Guys, this is very simple to put together, packed with protein, very delicious and very healthy as well. So I'm just slicing them into pieces like that. So that is all for this video. This video is very simple to put together. You can have them as breakfast, you can have them with bread or with everything you whichever way you want to have them with. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.